Hello there guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to make this amazing PowerPoint template in just a few minutes. So what you have to do is first of all subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon. So what you have to do is just pick up a clean slide. Then what you're going to do is just put your a rectangle, this one. Give it the 5th number shadow, decrease the size and height. Here we go. Then we're just gonna make copies of that rectangle, change its color. Then we're just gonna close it with another of same rectangle that is onto the left side. The next thing you have to do is just put them like this. Then we're gonna put this arrow, remove its outline, give it a shadow. The next thing you have to do is just add your text and stuff. So we're just gonna add the content text. Then what you have to do is just put it like this. And add your title. And then we're gonna add icons. So my icon panel was working, so I just inserted them from my insert. And what I'm gonna do is just decrease the size. Then we're gonna just put them and change their colors. And the next thing you have to do is just put your text and the title, and finally this is the final result. If you want this free template link, ask in the comments and I will send you the free template link in the comments.